Today, I'll show you how to change text opacity in DaVinci Resolve. This is a handy skill to have when you're looking to fine-tune the visual appeal of your video projects. Whether you want to make your text stand out or subtly blend into the background, adjusting the opacity can give you the desired effect. Let's get started by navigating to the edit page. This is your main workspace in DaVinci Resolve where you can make all sorts of edits and adjustments to your video clips. If you're not already there, you can find the edit page by looking for the tab labeled Edit at the bottom of the interface. Once you're on the edit page, you'll see your timeline, which is where all the magic happens. Next, select the text or text clip that you want to adjust. If you haven't added text to your timeline yet, you can do so by clicking on the effects library, then dragging either a text or text plus element onto your timeline. For those who already have their text in place, simply click on the clip to highlight it. This tells DaVinci Resolve that this is the clip you want to work with. Now, with your text clip selected, it's time to open the inspector. You'll find the inspector at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking it will bring up a panel on the right side of the interface. The inspector is like the control room for your selected clip. It's where you'll find all the options you need to tweak and perfect your text, including its opacity. Within the inspector, you'll see several tabs at the top. Make sure you're under the text tab. This is where you'll find all the settings related to your text clip, from font and size to position, and of course, opacity. Focus your attention on the opacity setting. This is the tool that will allow you to control how visible or transparent your text appears on screen. You'll see a slider that you can drag left or right. Moving the slider to the left decreases the opacity, making your text more transparent. Conversely, sliding it to the right increases the opacity, making your text more opaque. If you prefer precise control or have a specific opacity level in mind, you can also type in a value directly. Remember, setting the opacity to 0 makes your text completely invisible, while a value of 100 means it's fully visible. And that's all there is to it. By adjusting the opacity, you can create a variety of visual effects that can enhance the storytelling and aesthetics of your video. Experiment with different levels to see what works best for your project. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on changing text opacity in DaVinci Resolve. I hope you found it helpful and that you feel more confident in customizing your text to suit your creative needs. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using DaVinci Resolve. Happy editing!